Hey guys, it's Kelsey and welcome back to another plan with me. I do apologize that there was no plan with me last week. I just wasn't really feeling it. It was Easter weekend and we didn't get back until Sunday, and then getting home and doing everything, I just decided to use leftovers for my kit, and you can see I didn't really use my planner a lot. I did a lot of this last night of stuff I wanted to do, and here is the week before. But yeah, so I'm back, and this week, planning the week of April 9th, going to be using this fashion blogger kit from Strawberry Line Designs. I'm definitely not a fashion blogger, but I am a blogger, and I'm in the mood of like getting stuff done, so I thought that this kit lent itself well to that. So, and the purple kind of fits in without actually being in the kit. So let's get started. Okay, so I don't know what it is lately, but I've just been really in the mood to get stuff done. We recently hit the 6-month mark to the wedding, so I don't know if that's part of it, but we started gathering decor, trying to figure out like all the signs and stuff that we need and everything like that. We actually just purchased a wedding band for my fiance, which is exciting. I already have mine. So that was exciting. I kept being like, when do you want to go? When do you want to go? Like, we need to go, just because it's one thing that like you can take care of anytime. And I'm trying to get a lot of spending out of the way, like that we can do now, because as it gets closer to it'll just be a little more stressful. Like there will be a lot of bills coming up. Where is the other kit that I used from Strawberry Line Designs? Am I missing a page? Maybe I just got like the other. Maybe I just got the mini kit. Okay. So that makes it a little different. So I think we are going to use the purple. Because yeah, I only have this many headers, and that's not really every day. Because yeah, I used, this was the other half of that kit. So we're just adding some purple into this, which I think looks nice. Like the shade of pink is kind of light, so and what else have we been doing? Yeah, just trying to like keep on top of like a to-do list of what we still need to do. But yeah, trying to get stuff out of the way. I had a dream on like Friday morning that we were at the rehearsal dinner and I had forgotten stuff. so I wasn't very happy. And so I had a dream that I forgot part of the bridesmaids gifts that I already have purchased. And so then I woke up being like, I need to get the rest of this stuff now. So we'll see. But I'm trying to look in terms of, there's not really headers, so. That's good. Oh. Okay, we're going sideways with this. There we go. Okay. I'm just gonna be a little lazy and go. I wonder, maybe I'll do this and maybe do some washi. See, there is a little bit of purple in there. Haha. It is definitely hard to believe it's already April. My birthday is the week after this week. It doesn't feel like April because it's been snowing, like not enough for it to stick, but enough that there have been flurries consistently for the past few days. But it's supposed to be spring and I just want warmer weather. Okay. Now let's try. I'm just trying something, so we'll see if this looks silly. The snow has been giving me headaches, which are lovely. Yesterday I actually had to like go lay down because my head was hurting so much. This one is too big. We'll do a marble one. Hopefully that doesn't look too silly. Okay. Let's see. Monday, my plan with me is going up, and I will probably also do something blog related, which I will put there. Tuesday. See, a very exciting day. because I will be booking our honeymoon. I guess I'll use the phone, even though I'm not phoning anybody. But we are, well, my parents are Disney Vacation Club members. So we will be, they have been generous enough to give us their points to stay, but that doesn't necessarily mean that we'll be staying, that we're going to Disney World. So I will be doing an announcement on my main channel with where we are going, but I'm not giving that away right now. Do a TV because Grey's Anatomy is on, and I will do a computer because I have a blog post going up. I'm just putting full boxes and quarter boxes. I'll figure out what goes in them after. On Saturday, we have an appointment for dresses for the wedding, so I'm going to put, I'll put balloons. It's like celebrating. It's exciting. And then Sunday, I put laundry. Also, on Tuesday, Ethan has a haircut. Friday, I'll put a part for the weekend vlog that goes up. And I think that's it. Okay, sidebar. We're going to start with to do. So all about to-do lists. And then I'm gonna do like, I think I'll write goals on this or something. And I will do a habit tracker. And then I think I will finish that off with some subway tile washi. Okay. I will do the grocery cart on Friday for, I don't do the grocery shopping, so I will do like meal planning. And I will do this subway tile planner for filming my plan with me. And I'm gonna put this down here. I think I will put this, actually, I'll put this on Sunday because I think Ethan and I are gonna go to Sephora to, because the sale is that weekend, to pick out, we want to do like perfume and cologne that's like special for that day. for the wedding, and why not get it when it's on sale? So there's a look at the full week. I used all of that page, used most of that page, a lot of the washi, and most of the boxes. These are the only two that are left. Also, I actually got my first order on Tuesday, which I need to definitely put in there because that's a momentous occasion. So if you watch here, thank you very much. It means a lot to me. And I'm so excited to hopefully bring some new items to the shop. If you want to check out the shop, it's always linked below. But yeah, I'm really happy to actually have gotten an order. So I think that's about it. And there may be a sale, yeah, maybe around my birthday. So definitely keep an eye out, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this plan with me, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye.